So I'm going to share with you how you can import your funnels to your systeme.io account. So first of all, you need to check your email with a title important, your access to training. Then click on this link to set your password. After that, you can click on that link again and you will see this school tab. And click on open the ultimate playlist bundle. In here, you will see there are 4 sections. Click here to get started, your lead magnet file, funnel creation, and product creation. Now you can click on funnel creation. Start building your funnel. In this step, you will see the very first important one is to create your own systeme.io account. You can click here to create a free account. And remember, this is a free account. It has limited features. However, it's still enough for us to create a funnel for our ultimate playlist bundle. And we only allow to have 3 funnels and 15 steps in the funnels max. So if you are an existing member in systeme.io, make sure you still have enough room for creating your funnel. Once you have your funnel, you can click on these 3 links here so that you can import your funnel to your systeme.io account. Simply make sure that you are opening your systeme.io account on the same browser as this training right here, so that you can just click on 1, 2, and 3. Click on these 3 links and they will automatically import everything for you, including first you can check the funnel tab right here. You can click on this funnel, okay, and you will see the playlist bundle funnel template, and you will see there are 7 steps in here. There are 3 main steps here that we are going to discuss on the next video. Next, for the cost, you will see the cost. This is your cost because it's already imported into your account. And finally, we have the campaigns, email campaigns, and you can click on this email and campaigns and you will see your 5 done for you email are already here. Okay, so it's really simple. Just go ahead to the training and click on that, create your own account. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Okay, thank you so much and I hope success on your way. Bye.